on my flight, and a lot of people were on the flight, so I was able to get my own row. It's just a 2-hour flight, not too long. Y'all like my lashes? You like my voice? It's how you want. Go to the liquor store. Can we get it together? I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Y'all, this is our hotel for the next couple of days. What's the name of it? Fortune House, Miami. I'm like, ooh. We in Miami. So the hotel is a hotel, but you can actually stay there. It's like condo style, so they actually do have a couple of residents that stay there. And then this is a condo. And I think we did this through Airbnb. I don't know, y'all. I can't remember. But it was really nice. So when you come in, you got the kitchen, nice size or whatever. And then you got the living room. That was definitely nice and spacious. And when you come out to the balcony, it was very nice. You can see the palm trees, the big, tall buildings. I love when you can see the big, tall buildings. Because I think we were downtown. So when you come back in, well, downtown Miami. Come back in. I'm about to show y'all the rooms. 2 bed, 2 bath. The bathrooms was nice and spacious, very clean, cute, typical. And then me and my sister slept in the same room. Bed was nice, comfortable, spacious. You see all them pillows, baby? They act just like me. All them pillows. But yeah, it wasn't nothing extravagant or whatever. But now we about to go into the other bathroom. Same thing, same deal. Yeah, I definitely need more than one bathroom when I'm going on a trip, okay? And then here's the other bedroom. Nice and spacious as well, and that's where Jalen stayed. Jalen was toe up from the flow up, so he stayed back in the room. So me and Niecy went to Bacon Bitch, the one that we seen on TikTok. It's alright. I give it like a 7 out of 10. The drinks were really good though. So if the food wasn't, I know the drinks was. So I give the burger like an 8 out of 10. It definitely wasn't bad. You really can't mess up a burger. If you do, then you just can't cook for real. But I'm about to take me a big, deep bite of that. As you can see, that burger was good. And I eat how I eat. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how girls be trying to eat all cute. Now, I do try and eat a little cute when I'm in front of a man. But I'm in front of my sister, so she already know. And the song, If We Locked In, Ain't No Switching Up came on, so y'all already know what that is. Me and good sisters locked in forever. Tight like a booty hole.
Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
voiceovers because most of my videos have songs playing in the back of them, and you know I'm gonna get copyright for that. But basically, we are about to go to the Miami boat tours, and we about to go see where the rich folks stay on the water. That's what we're about to go do, and we're gonna go eat before we do that. You know, eat and drink. So we're going to Bayside. I think that's what it was called, and we're really just waiting on the Uber right now. Skin on 10, titties propped up, don't give a fuck, okay, period. But yeah, we about to get into the Uber right now, and that's the outside of the hotel. It was really nice, y'all.
Look at the woman, man, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah.
We are about to see who the fuck can finish this drink first. Who do y'all think gonna win? I feel like I'm gonna win. I think I am. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Johnny, your shit not moving. Oh, there it goes. Damn, neat drink. Oh my god.
I got a damn brain for...
Niecy shit is gone, baby. Uh-oh, Johnny, you catching up. Damn. We have a winner.
For me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
Ever since but when I tried it with butter, everything changed. I love corn. Corn.
Do you think everyone should be eating corn?
Y'all, we are about to get on this boat and we're gonna go to Miami. Follow Jalen on his YouTube. Shout out your YouTube.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baked Thoughts. That's BAKEDTHOUGHTS. Baked Thoughts.
Go do that. We are about to get on the Island Lady, and we are just about to go tour Miami. So yeah, stay tuned.
But I'm mad because really the good
Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't.
Later that same evening.
Look at her. Look at the woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something. You can get
basically have to do an voiceover for this video because they were playing loud music in the back, and you could definitely hear the song playing. You could really hear it over me talking in the first place. So you can hear me in the video, but it's not like you can. You could do both, basically. You can hear me and the music, and I cannot get copyrighted. So now I have to do a voiceover. But really all I was talking about, well, to show you where we're at, we are in Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, on our layover, and we're waiting to go back to Raleigh. So this is on August 27th. So y'all, I was in Miami from August 25th through the 27th. And basically the 25th, I caught a 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. flight. And then, you know, we got to the hotel around 10 or whatever. And then obviously the 26th, and now it's the 27th. It's probably around 1 or 2 o'clock right now. And we at the bar. I'm supposed to be getting home till around, like, I didn't get home till like around 5:30, 6 o'clock. There was a couple of things we had to do, but basically I was just going over, you know, the trip, all the places that we ate at. We ate at a place called Coffee Zone. We went down to Bayside, North Miami. We ate at the bar at the hotel that we stayed in. All the details and stuff will be in the description box. Details about everything that we did, every place that we went to, will be in the description box if anybody is curious when they go to Miami. Overall, this trip was like an 8 out of 10, only because it was so short, but I had fun.